Cottage, beautiful old restaurant that sold to the Chinese and they wrecked it. Up here, some nice white paddocks, all full of frost. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell or not, but that is full of frost. There's a kangaroo out there going, oh, damn cold. Look at the car coming up. It's all fogged up, full of ice on the outside. Alright, you can see all the white in the paddocks. It's -1 degrees. Everything is frozen. That's how cold it gets in Victoria. -1 degrees, and this is not even in the snow country. And then in summer, then it's 40 degrees. This is Australia. Look at that beautiful white stuff in the paddocks. Ice. But it won't snow here, but that's what happens. Simply Aussie Lifestyle, signing off.